how to fix Fortnite not working on PS5. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go into settings. Now here you want to go and select system, then system software update and settings, and click on update system software update using the internet. Now if you have the latest version, then we can proceed to the second step, which is going to be going into users and accounts. Here we want to select other, then restore licenses, check Fortnite, and you will just click on restore here. Once we have done this as well, the next thing that I can suggest doing is gonna be checking your user account. So here you just want to go users and accounts and make sure you are signed into the correct profile here for your PlayStation network. So you can also do it by clicking on your profile icon and then selecting switch user. And here if I try to play with this account, it doesn't let me, but I have a different separate account, as you can see here, which actually lets me play Fortnite. So I hope those fixes work for you. Leave a like and sub. I will see you next time.